Ke Skul Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya JNV Nongstoiñ haka Jingpyntreikam naitung kala Rakhe ke Jingdap lai Snem ke National Education Policy NEP ke belong ru kum shibenta ban kentiwi ke puli puthi jangki kena. Ya katai ke jing Rakhe la pelong hapo ke Skul JNV Nongstoiñ haka balai shibenta nadu principal jangkate ke Skul Brajesh Singh u Vice Principal Umesh Kumar kinong hikai bat ki kena skul. Nakaliang jong principal ke JNV Nongstoiñ uloong baka Jingpyntreikam ya ke National Education Policy arjar arpau kalong banwanra ya ke jingnang jingtip kulum naduk ki kerdan puli berit haduk ki kerdan secondary bat haduk 4% ke jingwanrung skul ki kena puli haduk Snem arjar laipau bat ban kentiu ru ya ke Jingpyntreikam ke basalon sar ya ki kor ki bor sains bat teknologi.
Hello everyone, myself Mewan Raplang Walang. I am studying in class 12 science in JNV Nongstoiñ, West Khasi Hills, Meghalaya. As a student of science stream, I feel that National Educational Policy 2020 is very good for us as it helped us in focus more on practical rather than theoretical learning. The new education policy enables each and every student to get quality education irrespective of their socio-economics, background or gender or their disability. As my point of view, NEP is the best platform for us as students in learning and creativity. On this much, thank you.
In today's modern world, a lot of gadgets has been made to make us easier to learn and reduce the wastage of time. As you can compare, our past few years, the mode of study was fully dependent on chalk, blackboard and books. Our current generation, where NEP 2020 has been implemented, our teachers are using a wide varieties of pedagogical techniques through which we get a chance to explain a topic with pictures related to that topics, and it's not so much time consuming as we don't have to note down every points related to that topics. Thank you so much.
आज का युग विज्ञान का युग है। आधुनिक आविष्कारों से हमारा जीवन न ही सुखद एवं सरल हुआ है, अपितु हमें कई लाभ ही इसी विज्ञान ने ही दिया है। हमारे शिक्षक इन आधुनिक आविष्कारों और नई शिक्षा नीति के द्वारा हमें सदैव अच्छा शिक्षित करने का प्रयत्न करते हैं और हमें इससे अनेक लाभ भी हुई है। नई शिक्षा नीति के चलते हमारे प्रश्नों का हल और सरल हुआ है। धन्यवाद।
Good morning, student. So today we are going to share the new case one related to retirement or death of a partner. So yesterday we discussed about the cases. So now I am telling the case number 1, when a partner is taking retired and in the question remaining partners new PSR is not given. So how can they share their profit sharing ratio? So now I am telling with the examples, because through the examples NEP also promote that new pedagogies. So 3 partners are there. So one partner is Pinyard, the second partner is Vidyanji and the third is Bansaka. So in these 3 partners, the one partner is taking retired. Suppose Bansaka is taking retired. Now we don't know कि these old partners how can they share profit and loss ratio, because in the question no, not giving their old PSR. So now I am telling these profit and loss ratio is there. Pinyard, Vivian and Bansaka before taking retirement they will distribute their PSR 3:2:1. Now according to the situation I told कि Bansaka take retires. So now how can we solve this question? So it means we will remove the retiring ratio and the remaining ratio is the new PSR for all partners. So A and B, tell me what is the new PSR for A and B? Okay, this is the Bansaka. Suppose in this question Bansaka is not taking retired, then Vivian is taking retired, then what is the new PSR for Pinyard and Bansaka? Tell me. 3:1. Suppose not Vivian is taking retired is taking Pinyard, then what is the ratio for Vivian and Bansaka? 2:1. Very good. Thank you.
So the Government of India has launched the National Education Policy in the year 2020. Now we are celebrating the 3 years of successful implementation of National Education Policy. This National Education Policy will will make the India the world leader. Vishwa Guru, world leader it will make. And the important points of regarding this education policy is that this education policy covers the preschooling. In previous education policy, the children of 6 years and above, they were included, but this education policy covered the students 3 years and above. So preschooling is included, and the main part of this education policy is that up to 5th class, the student are to be provided education in their own language, in their own mother tongue. That is the major part, because this education policy focus on experiential learning. It does not focus upon the rote memory for memorizing the thing. It focus on the understanding. That is the main part of this education policy. This education policy is helping a lot in our education system, particularly for JNV Nongstoiñ, because we teachers, we inculcate or we impart the education through new pedagogies which are suggested in this education policy. Under experiential learning, we impart the education through storytelling method, through role play method. We integrate the sports and music or the art integrated technology we are adopting. So if the students, they understand the concepts through playway method, they can understand it in a better way. So if the education is imparted in this way, definitely we are creating the future resource of our country, and coming days you will find the Indians, they will excel in every field, and the name and the fame of India will be there in the field of education. Definitely we turn out the leader in education in all over the world. So this education policy is helping a lot. It is giving us different guidelines, different norms have been set through this education policy to make the India the world leader in the field of education. Thank you.